Hey there! Ever wondered how the simple bottle holding your favorite drink is made? Let's dive into the fascinating world of bottle manufacturing and uncover some factory secrets. I'm standing here in one of the largest bottle manufacturing plants, and the first thing that hits you is the sheer scale. Thousands of bottles are produced here each day, and it all starts with raw materials. Primarily, we're talking about glass or plastic. For glass bottles, the journey begins with silica sand, soda ash, and limestone, all mixed and heated to a whopping 1700 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than lava. This molten glass is then cut into uniform gobs, which are immediately fed into a bottle-forming machine. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Each gob is dropped into a mold, and with a bit of air pressure magic, it's blown and pressed into the shape of a bottle. It's swift, it's precise, and it's mesmerizing to watch. But what about plastic bottles? Well, they start their life as small plastic pellets. These pellets are melted and formed into a preform, basically a test tube-shaped piece of plastic. This preform is then heated and placed into a blow mold. Just like with glass, air is used to expand the preform until it fills the mold, taking the shape of the final product. After the bottles are formed, whether glass or plastic, they need to be checked for quality. This plant uses advanced vision systems to detect any imperfections. Even a tiny flaw means the bottle gets recycled back into the process. Quality is king here. Finally, these bottles are ready to be filled, labeled, and shipped out to stores around the world. Next time you take a sip from a bottle, remember the incredible journey it's been through just to reach your lips. Alright, that's a wrap on the secrets behind bottle manufacturing. It's a blend of art, science, and a lot of heat. Thanks for tuning in and stay curious.